Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to move image in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first open your Adobe InDesign software. Then I am open a picture. Now firstly go to the file menu and you can see here are place option. Now click this place. I am find my picture location folder. Then select a picture and click open. Then drag and place this image. Again place another picture. Now go to the file menu and click place option. Now select a picture and click open and drag place this picture. Now I move the two pictures. Now firstly drag and select this picture and move this picture easily. Now select this picture, then click this picture. You can select, drag, click easily. Now click this picture and move anywhere easily. Now you can see move image in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.